Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the whole valve assembly, this one you see right here. And we also had to replace the steamer gauge, the steamer knob. As you can see, that is the newer style, same with the one, that is the new style of the steamer one. We installed the newer one inside the machine. We also fixed a corroded strip screw that was on the front of the machine, and yeah, that's all we did. So starting with this testing the steamer, we're gonna be running some steam through the machine, then some hot water, and then we're gonna be running the shower. First, you're gonna purge the steamer, and after you purge it, you can see nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, working perfectly. No leaks coming out through the one or through the top of the machine. Now we're going to be running some cold water to cool down the machine. That way we can do an espresso shot. Excellent flow coming out one. Working great. And now we can do our espresso shot. I unfortunately tampered too hard on this espresso shot, so we're barely seeing something some drips coming out through the portafilter, and that's because the pressure going inside the portafilter is too much and it's just slowly dripping out. As the water pump is pushing into the portafilter, it's creating some channeling through the coffee, and that's why we're seeing a little stream coming out through the bottom of the portafilter. So this shot, as you can see, is gonna be over extracted, and I tampered too hard on this when I was packing the coffee grounds. We're gonna stop it right now just to give it a little break to the pump, create a little bit more channeling, and now we're gonna just here again. That would be to try to get the last bit of coffee. As you can see, there's no water coming out through the group head. If this was not providing a good seal, you will see a bunch of water coming out through there. We're not seeing that. And as I say, a very over extracted shot of espresso. You can see as well here, the water in there, very fine grind, tamper a bit too hard. But we're having an excellent flow coming out to the shower screen. As you can see, nice steady stream, working excellent. And the machine was able to do the shot, even though it was very, very fine for this machine. So there you have it, Rancilio Silvia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.